Next topic is proprietary ratio. So proprietary, we all know who is a proprietor, right? The owner, the investor of the business is called as the proprietor. So now here we have to calculate the proprietary ratio. So how can we calculate proprietary ratio is based on whatever capital we have here and how much have we used it to be compared with your total assets. Okay, that is shareholders funds divided by total assets. That is proprietary ratio shows the extent to which the total assets have been financed by shareholders funds. For example, if a family is earning say 10,000 and they spend for paying the asset for paying for any asset, okay, say they are paying rupees 2,000, then whatever they earn from which they spend only 2,000. So for that we need to calculate. Okay, so shareholders funds is where we have the equity share capital, preference share capital, and also reserves and surpluses. Total assets means it will include all type of assets. It can be non-current, current assets. Okay, so it will include all the assets. Then illustration 5, here from the following balance sheet of Pioneer Limited, calculate proprietary ratio. So now you have your equities and liabilities and also assets. Since you are asked to prepare only the proprietary ratio, first write the formula. Proprietary ratio is equal to shareholders funds divided by total assets, right? So now shareholders funds is given as a separate topic here in your balance sheet, which is inclusive of equity share capital, preference share capital, and reserves and surpluses. So add these three values, you get rupees 2 lakhs as your shareholders funds. This must be written separately, that is, see, shareholders funds is equal to equity share capital plus preference share capital plus reserves and surplus, which is equal to 1 lakh plus 75,000 plus 25,000, which is rupees 2 lakhs. Then again we need to calculate the total assets, which automatically will be given, right? In your balance sheet always you will have the totals, right? So this is your asset total. Asset and liabilities total will always be equal. So you take up assets, which is 4 lakhs. You write separately as total assets is equal to rupees 4 lakhs. Then apply in the formula. Okay, so now you apply in your formula the shareholders funds total, which is 2 lakhs divided by 4 lakhs as your total assets. So when you cancel, you again get 0.5 is to 1. So all the 5 zeros to be cancelled. 2 into 1 times 2 into 2 times. Always this place should be 1. To convert this is 1. Divide this value by 2. So 2 here you cannot cancel. So 0.5, because 1 next to it you will add up 0. So 10. So 2 into 5 times is 10. So 0.5 divided by 1 you get. You write it in the pure form, that is 0.5 is to 1. I hope you understood illustration 5.